Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good day everyone. Good day to my honorable teacher and to all of my lovely friends. I hope our day should as well. This video is made to fulfill the final examinations assignment in Belajar Pembelajaran lectured by our Miss Hanifa MPD guys. So let's dive into the main topic. I want to ask you guys about something. So what do you guys know about the learning model everyone? Well, the definition of learning model, as you can see, model is a term that we use to picture an organizing learning process from the start till the end. So in the other words, learning model is a cover or a frame from the applications of one approach, method, and the learning technique everyone. Model will become a conceptual framework on describing a systematic procedure in organizing learning experience to achieve the goals. And how about the functions? Well, the model serves as a guide to teachers in planning and implementing teaching and learning activities. The difference between learning model, approach, strategy, method, technique, and media. Here are the difference between the model, approach, strategies, method, technique, and the learning media, everyone. Alright, now I will have an explanation about the approach. Approach is basically a concept that accommodates, inspires, strengthens, and underlies a learning method with a certain theoretical scopes. How about the strategy? Strategy from the learning approach that has been determined, it is derived into a learning strategy. Strategy in the internal scopes has the same resemblance to the notions of method, which is both a way to achieve the goals. The only difference is that the strategy emphasizes planning, while the method emphasizes more on the technique. What the method? Learning method are procedures, sequences, steps, and methods used by the teacher on achieving learning objectives. It can be said that the learning method is a description of the approach. One approach can be translated into various learning methods. It can also be said that method is a learning procedure that is focused on achieving the goals. From the methods, learning technique applied, real and practically in the classroom when learning takes place. Now, let's go to the technique. Technique are concrete method used by the teachers during the learning process. Teacher can change the technique even in the corridor of the same method. One method can be applied through various learning techniques, guys. Now, if approach, strategies, method, and learning technique have been resemblance into one unified whole, what is called a learning model is formed, everyone. Now, learning about the model. The model is a form of learning that is illustrated from the beginning to the end, which is presented specifically by the teacher in the class, of course. In the learning model, there is a strategy from achieving the student's competence of approach, method, learning technique, and the others. The package of applying this approach, methods, and learning technique is called learning model, everyone. How about the media, guys? Learning media, anything that can be changed learning environment with the aim of teaching more efficiently. Media is usually used in the learning by the teacher on application of the technique. At least that is the definition of learning media by the book of Sujana and Rifai 2015 state that media is the part of methodology component, guys. Right, now let's take a look about the example of a learning model. So I choose problem-based learning model, everyone. Problem-based learning model is one of the best model that teachers could use. Now I would like to explain about the problem-based learning. Problem-based learning is a learning approach that presents problems contextual so that students could stimulate into the study. In a class that applies problem-based learning, students work in the teams to solve the real-world problem. How about the advantage? Well, first, with the problem-based learning, a meaningful learning will occur. Students who study to solve the problem, they also manage to apply their knowledge or at least trying to find out a necessary knowledge. Learning can be more meaningful and can be expanded when students face with a situation in which the concept is applied. Second, in a problem-based learning situations, students learn to integrate knowledge and skills seamlessly and apply it on a relevant context. Now, the last one is the third. Problem-based learning could improve critical thinking skills. foster the students to initiative at work, motivate the students to learn internally, and develop interpersonal relations in a group work. Well, how about we applicate our problem-based learning in the applications example? Before we start the teaching and learning process in the classroom, students are first asked to have an observations about the phenomenon that happen in the society. Then students asked to take a note with the problem they have faced. After that, teacher's part is to stimulate the students to think critically in order to solve the problem. Teacher's role is to direct the students to ask the questions, prove the assumptions, and listen to the different opinions from the others. Well, also, taking the advantage from the environment to gain learning experience, teacher will give the assignment that will be carried in various contexts of the participant environment, including school, family, and community. Now, assignment can be given by the teacher to provide opportunities for the students to learn outside the classroom. Learners are expected to gain hand-on experience what is being studied. Learning experience is a learning activity that must be done by participants' education in order to achieve the mastery of standard competency everyone. Basic abilities in the learning material. Alright everyone, I think that's all I want to tell about the material in learning media and its property. I hope you guys understand my concept, and the most importantly, like usual, you guys enjoy my video. Thank you everyone. So see you guys in the next video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and have a nice day.